So this is our room at the Alexander Logan. Oh, it's Tim. At the Alexander Logan Bed and Breakfast in Montreal, Quebec. And it's called the Blue Room, and it has very high ceilings. Isn't that beautiful? The window, it's the bed. It's a very big window. And this is a closet. A little dark, but that's our closet. This is the rest of our room right here. And then this is the bathroom. It's small, but it's very nice. Little butterflies in the toilet, in the shower, and I thought this was kind of neat. Little pumps for body wash, shampoo and conditioner. It's just pretty. It's a very, very, very old building. It's from the 1800s. And there's Tim again.